This is my canary, and her name is Baby Bird. Actually, she just finished, took a shower, and she really likes to take a shower. So this is her cage. I'm in her palace. Look at this. It's very clean, right? Well, so there she is. Baby bird! Baby bird! She is such a sweet bird. And also, I always let her get out of her cage, and she enjoy flying every day. Hello, how are you? Hello, baby bird, baby bird. So there she is. Actually, every time I took a coffee in the morning, she always wants to play with me. And this bird is with me for about 5 months already. So that was since April 19 to be exact. So there she is. Hello, baby bird, baby bird. So this is the place where she lives. I put fur purchase on it, and there is her water for drinking. Actually, I'm using alkaline water, and then here's the seed, and here's the veggies, her favorite veggies. So there she is. She's not tired yet. Hello, baby bird. She's so sweet. Look at her. Hello, baby bird. So there is my canary, baby bird. Thank you for watching.